Hey everybody, welcome back. A quick video today on Friday, a couple of updates that I want to give you all about how to make your eye area look better by using a couple of my signature formulated products. If you don't know what those are, I'm going to tell you what they are in just a minute and update you guys on a new bundle with these two specific products designed to help improve the eye area. Now, if you've followed me for any length of time, you know that as a skincare expert of all these 37 years, I'm very keen on replacing amino acids in the skin. And amino acids are what you commonly hear as peptides. They help your skin stay healthy. They help your skin cells replicate healthier cells. They just keep your skin in really good balance and help it look its best. Couple that with the fact that the eye area gives so many people so much trouble: dark circles, deep hollows, under eye puffiness or eye bags, and hooded eyelids. So for the eye area, you really need something that can help hide those tiny capillaries that give that dark circle its look, help to drain excess lymph fluid and water from under and around the eye, and to lift and tighten the upper eyelid skin. Sounds like a tall order, but not really when you have the right ingredients. So there are a couple of products in my signature skincare line, very small skincare line, Clear Revolution Skincare, something we've been developing over the last 5 years. Not a ton of products, not a ton of inventory, but these two products I get asked about a lot. So we created a bundle where they come together to help you improve your eye area. These products are all clean, botanically based products. Let's talk about the first one, Luminous Peptides Serum. That's this product right here. This newly developed serum aids in the reduction of fine lines and wrinkles to help replace diminishing amino acids, something that happens as we get older, around the eye area and the face. So this is a face serum that plays a very important role in the eye area. Skin around the eyes tends to be drier, has less oil glands, doesn't hold moisture well, and of course is very, very thin. This particular formulation has palmitoyl pentapeptide number 4, which in studies have shown a 50% reduction in fine lines and wrinkles and an initial 16% lifting and tightening of the surface skin, which improves the longer you use it. It also includes daisy flower extract, which helps manage melanin on the skin, helping to fade out dark patches, melasma, and age spots. And a head-to-head study with alpha-arbutin, daisy flower extract actually outperformed arbutin, giving twice as much active results. Simple to use. You would apply this to fresh, clean skin. It's a water-based serum, so it would go on first before any other products. You just pat that in, use it on the whole face. You can use it on your neck and the backs of your hands. But today's video, we're focusing on the eye area. So I'm even putting some of this on the upper eyelids. It takes just a moment for that to absorb. Can be used morning and night, even with retinol-based products. So now let's talk about the second product you would apply around the eye area to help lift that loose skin around the upper eyelid, to help tighten and tone the skin around your eyes, to help deflate bags and puffiness, and to help to shrink back those tiny capillaries so you eradicate dark circles. The name of this particular product is Magic Eyes Anti-Puff Gel. So it's a lightweight cooling gel. This formulation packed with botanical extracts known to help tighten, lift, and brighten the skin. Dipeptide number 2, tetrapeptide number 7, all beneficial amino acids, along with licorice extract, echinacea, and squalene. So it's a lightweight cooling gel that works well with other moisturizers and eye creams as long as you apply it first. And what has been really exciting about this particular product is that in clinical studies, it's given a 65% permanent reduction to eye bags with study participants that both had lymph fluid eye bags and also the gathering of fat cells underneath the eyes, 65% in 28 days. So the longer you use this particular product, the better the results are. And this is a lightweight cooling gel. You can see it right there. Doesn't take very much at all, just a tiny amount. And you just want to pat that in the upper cheekbone, the crow's feet area, and of course, that all-important area just above your upper eyelid, just to under the brow, to help tighten and lift that skin. And believe me, you feel this stuff working the minute it goes on. Gives these beneficial effects even if you're using an eye cream, you're using foundation, makeup, cosmetics, whatever. Even moisturizers are not going to hinder the beneficial effects of this anti-puff eye gel. And the good news is Clear Revolution Skincare put these two products together in a bundle to help make them less expensive. I will put a link down below in the video description box where you can save a bunch of money on this from watching this video. Again, also please understand these skincare products are in development. We don't have huge inventories of them. However, I want to let you know they're available, something that for some of you, you may find really helpful. Thank you guys so much for tuning into YouTube and giving this a watch. Be sure to check out that video that's posting right here next. And I will see you all tomorrow at 1 o'clock on Saturday's video. Stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll catch up with each other on that next video.